Welcome to EtsyHunt, your ultimate destination for discovering and monitoring products on Etsy. Scene 1, Searching EtsyHunt. First, let's start by searching for EtsyHunt on your web browser. Scene 2, Browsing extensive product collection. Once you're on the home page, you can explore a vast collection of products. Scene 3, Precise product selection with filters. Or, if you want to narrow down your search, you can use filters to find exactly what you're looking for. Scene 4, Adding products to tracking. When you come across a product you love, simply click on Add to Tracking. Scene 5, Monitoring your tracking. Now, let's head over to the tracking page, where you can keep track of all the products you've recently added. Scene 6, Quick Product Tracking Edition. Don't worry if you have a specific product in mind. You can also directly search for it and add it to your tracking with ease. Scene 7, Detailed Product Insights. Click on any product in your tracking to access its detailed information. Scene 8, Sales Performance. You'll find valuable data, such as sales performance. Scene 9, Favorites and Reviews. You can also see the number of favorites and reviews the product has received. Scene 10, Price and Discounts. Keep an eye on the product's price and any ongoing discounts. Scene 11, Revenue Tracking. Want to know how much a product is earning? You can track its revenue right here. Scene 13, Product Changes Monitoring. Lastly, keep track of any changes to the product, ensuring you're always in the know. And there you have it. With EtsyHunt, discovering and monitoring products on Etsy has never been easier. Happy hunting!